understand this, you should start speaking. You should speak in such a way the guy should ask only the question which you wanted him to ask. And you will answer to that question in such a way, the next question also will be decided by you. Same way, you must be able to decide next 7 questions. What he is going to ask. You should write down all the 7 questions and give it in a leaf before the argument starts. And you should know how to direct the whole argument. Just same way, you should ask these 7 questions. Before the argument starts, you should write all the 7 questions and keep it here, separately. And start. An argument should go only with the 7 questions, one by one. Then you are a Darga Pandit. You are a Nyaya Pandit.
But why 7?
Let me now come to that. 7 questions you must be able to guide him. How? Let me tell you. Now there is a beautiful book has come out. There is a beautiful book, Movies of Bollywood and Movies of Hollywood. 2 books. Because of the Movies of Hollywood book has come, the Movies of Bollywood has come. Any of you have seen that book? A beautiful pictorial book about these movies of Hollywood first came. Then these guys have copied and Movies of Bollywood, one book has come. In that book of that Movies of Hollywood, the introduction is written beautifully. They give a gist of the whole cinema history. In that, they give a amazing, shocking truth. Throughout the world, exists only 7 types of cinema stories. Only 7 types of cinema stories. All cinema stories written ever on the planet Earth, what is written and getting written or yet to be written, can be classified under the 7 category. There is no more stories, cine stories, than the 7 stories. You will be shocked. And not only that, then next they give the gist thread line of that 7 story line. The 7 stories. You will be shocked. The 7 chakra emotions. 7 chakra emotions. Human mind can think only based on the 7 emotion. One small experiment. 21 minutes, just sit and speak out whatever you think. Just go on, speak out whatever you think and record it. After 21 minutes, just transcribe that and see. In 21 minutes, completely, you had at least once these 7 thoughts related to these emotions. In every 21 minutes, at least once you fall in the 7 emotions, at least one thought will come which is related to the 7 emotions. Every 21 minutes you undergo a complete cycle. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
Except when you sleep.
In sleep you don't have thoughts, that is different. Now, every 21 minutes of waking moments, you get thoughts related to sex, thoughts related to fear, thoughts related to worry, thoughts related to love, attention need, thoughts related to comparison, thoughts related to your ego, superiority, thoughts related to discontentment.
What is 3 from
3 minutes entering, 21 minutes. In every 21 minutes, you undergo this cycle. You will have thoughts related to the 7 emotions. And I was shocked when I read that book, the Movies of Hollywood. The 7 emotions, they say all the stories ever written on the planet Earth come only under the 7 category. And I can be sure they never read 7 chakra philosophy. They never read 7 chakra philosophy. and when it is classified and the main thread of each category is given, it exactly corresponds to the each chakra emotion. Now, learn the secret. Any man can think only on the 7 emotions, related to 7 emotions. Now when you start speaking about some particular subject, for example, you start speaking about food, you should speak in such a way, all the other 6 planes, in other 6 planes, you should answer. In one plane, you should not answer, leave it open. When whatever subject you speak, listen here carefully, whatever subject you speak, in that subject, in the 7 emotion, speak about the 6 emotions, leave one empty. So naturally you can't put any other question except that emotion, that subject. Speak in such a way, Muladhara on food, that you should answer. Swadhisthana on food, you should answer. Manipura on food, you should answer. Anagata on food, you should answer. Anya on food, you should answer. Sahasrara on food, you should answer. Vishuddhi on food, leave it. He cannot ask any other question except that. Even unconsciously, he cannot ask any other question except that. Even though you may not know how your mind works, this is the way your mind works. Tak, 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 7 jump. 7 jump only you are continuously doing. If all 6 jumps are answered, you are cornered in 1 jump. What question you will ask? Only related to that jump. So naturally now I know what question you will ask. When I know the question, simply I know the answer. Simply I know the answer. Basic secret. How to make the other person to ask the question which you wanted him to ask. This is the way your mind works. Whether you know it or not, this is the way your mind works.
7 times family, always 7 topics.
In anything you will relate with this 7 only. Whether it is this camera, first you will have the thought, desire, let me possess this camera. Then fear, I may not have it. If I take it away, somebody else may catch me. Then worry, how will I maintain? Then attention, how can I use this? How can I have this more? What will it do for me? What will it do for me? Vishuddhi. People have got much bigger cameras, what to do? People have got much bigger facilities, what to do? I will be having only this. Even if I have this, something will be lacking. Some comparison. Then Anya, how can I prove myself through this? You will start fantasizing, as if you are hanging this in your back and do it in the Ooty gardens, or as if you are videographing your whole family incidents. So somewhere, how you can prove yourself through this. Then end discontentment. Even if it comes, I cannot be totally contented. Only the limitations. It can do only this much. If there is a small cell phone also attached with this, it will be really great. There is no cell phone attached to this camera. I should see the cell phone attached camera. Only these 7 link of thoughts can happen to you. Anything. With anything, only these 7 link. Again, tadak, 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 with anything you see, the 7 link only. In the 7 link only somewhere you will touch. Nowhere else. Your thoughts cannot go anywhere else. Now I give you the secrets of your mind. How your mind works. If you can just understand this one secret, you can manage anybody by speaking. I am giving you the basic secrets of logic. Nobody can win you by talking. But the problem is, you will become egoistic. That danger is there. You will become egoistic. That is why there are few keys still retained. There are few keys still retained. Simply understand this one thing. With anything you see, your thoughts will jump only in these 7 layers. Only in these 7 layers. Someone related to someone, layer. When you speak to somebody, if you can black all the 6, leaving only 1, now you know from which level you will be putting that question. He is cornered. He can ask only question from that level. When you answer that question, you should black all the other 6 chakras. For example, you will allow him to ask Vishuddhi question. When you answer, black such a way, now you leave only Mooladhara. He will answer only, he will put the question of only Mooladhara. When you answer the Mooladhara, black in such a way, you leave only Manipuraga. He will put only the questions related to Manipuraga. So the same way you can play with him in 7 chakras, in the 7 steps. That is why if you can play with anybody through the 7 questions, if you can manage him to ask 7 continuous questions as you wanted, you have mastered the Darga, you have mastered the Nyaya, you have mastered your Manipuraga.
Quite tremendous intelligence.
Yeah.
Continuously doing it real time.
It's not a big job. Actually, it's not a big job. It's just little bit of clarity. Studying the human beings carefully. Just for 10 days, if you continuously talk to human beings with this awareness, with this background, just 10 days, if you speak to anybody, whomsoever you talk to them, just speak with this awareness background. This guy is going to relate only from the 7. Which chakra is hitting? Which chakra is hitting? Answer and black him in all other chakras. When you answer and leave him in only one plane. And one more technique, one more important secret. Normally people never move more than Anartha. A middle class man, a working category people, a laborer, or a normal guy never thinks more than Anahata. So now you have only 4. You don't even have to bother about other 3. That's for very intelligent guys. Normal common mass lives only below this 4.
Swamiji, most difficult to handle is the ego guys.
No. And that is different, but very limited people are egoistic.
They are the most difficult to handle.
There are other people are unaware only. But you will not come across egoistic people much in your life. If you can play this just for a few days with awareness, the moment guy starts talking, anybody starts talking to you, you know he is attacking with chakra. And you can simply black him. You can corner him. Over. A man who can guide the opposite person who is arguing with him for continuous 7 questions is he is only called as Nyaya Pandit. Nyaya Pandit. The 7 emotional play. 7 play. The play of 7 type of thoughts. Anything, you can be sure of this. I told camera just now. Anything when you see, this is what starts. This is what starts happening. You relate in some one way. Just black in that way and twisting. Black all the other things. Leave only one gap. Naturally you will put only the question related to that opening. That opening. The people who are caught in Manipuraga, they gave Nyaya as a solution. Next, people who are caught in Anahata. Any question?
This technique we can declare it as a Nityananda Sutra.
Nityananda?
Sutra.
Can you give one more example?
Tell me anything. I'll connect with that. Anything you tell me, I'll connect with that.
Education.
Education. The moment you hear the word education, you start thinking, how much I have studied. I could have had a few more education. Desire. And all the responsibilities related to education, fear. You have to study, you have to give up so many things. You cannot simply have education. You need to sacrifice many things. The responsibility, fear. Then immediately next you start worrying how much I have to work. So many things. It's not possible. Worrying. Some worries related to it. Or what I can get from education. What I can get from education. What is there for me? That's what is attention. What I can get from that. What I can get from that. Attention need. The next vishuddhi. Comparison. This and that. Then anya, ego. How I can prove myself as a great person by that education. Utility. What I can get from is different. How I can prove is different. I can show as a big person by that education. When you are caught in anya, you are ready even to go for a certificate without education. Because you want only yourself to be proved. So if you just have a doctor certificate without doctor education, you will be ready. But with anagata, you will not be ready for that. What it can contribute to me? What is the utility for me? You will stand only in that point. But in Anya, you will be ready to go for duplicate certificate also. If it can prove you, that's enough. Nothing more is necessary. In Sahasrara, discontentment. What will I do? How much I can achieve? What is this? Anything. In the 7 only you will start. In the 7 only you will start. If you continue to contemplate, you will undergo all these 7.